Welcome to this NEET Chemistry 2022 problem-solving session where we'll master converting mass percentages to mole fractions in multi-component solutions. This is a crucial NEET Chemistry 2022 problem that tests your understanding of solution chemistry and mole fraction calculations. Today we'll solve a three-component solution problem involving water, ethanol, and acetic acid, converting their mass percentages to mole fractions. We'll use the mass percentage method to determine which of the given mole fraction options are correct. Let's examine the complete problem statement with all the given information and answer choices. This diagram shows our three-component solution with the mass percentages clearly labeled for each component. We have a solution containing 25% water by mass, 25% ethanol by mass, and 50% acetic acid by mass. The molecular weights we need are water 18 grams per mole, ethanol 46 grams per mole, and acetic acid 60 grams per mole. We need to determine which of these mole fraction values are correct from the given options. Option A, water mole fraction equals 0.502. Option B, ethanol mole fraction equals 0.302. Option C, acetic acid mole fraction equals 0.196. Option D, combined ethanol plus acid mole fraction equals 0.497. First, we'll assume a 100-gram sample to convert mass percentages directly to grams, then calculate moles for each component. This flowchart shows how we convert from mass percentages to actual masses, then use molecular weights to find moles. Assuming 100 grams total solution makes our calculations straightforward. Water, 25 grams divided by 18 grams per mole equals 1.389 moles. Ethanol, 25 grams divided by 46 grams per mole equals 0.543 moles. Acetic acid, 50 grams divided by 60 grams per mole equals 0.833 moles. Total moles equals 1.389 plus 0.543 plus 0.833 equals 2.765 moles. Now we'll calculate each mole fraction by dividing individual moles by total moles, then compare with the given options. This pie chart visualizes the relative mole fractions, with water taking up the largest portion at about 50%. Water mole fraction equals 1.389 divided by 2.765 equals 0.502. Ethanol mole fraction equals 0.543 divided by 2.765 equals 0.196. Acetic acid mole fraction equals 0.833 divided by 2.765 equals 0.301. Let's verify our calculations sum to 1. 0.502 plus 0.196 plus 0.301 equals 0.999, which is essentially 1 within rounding error. Now let's systematically compare our calculated values with each given option to determine which are correct. This table clearly shows our calculated values compared to the given options, highlighting which ones match. Option A claims water mole fraction is 0.502, and our calculation gives exactly 0.502, so option A is correct. Option B claims ethanol mole fraction is 0.302, but our calculation gives 0.196, so option B is incorrect. Option C claims acetic acid mole fraction is 0.196, but our calculation gives 0.301, so option C is incorrect. For option D, we add ethanol and acid fractions. 0.196 plus 0.301 equals 0.497. Option D claims the combined ethanol plus acid mole fraction is 0.497, and our calculation gives exactly 0.497, so option D is correct. Based on our calculations, options A and D are correct, which corresponds to answer choice 3 in the multiple choice question. Congratulations! You've successfully solved this challenging NEET chemistry problem using systematic mole fraction calculations. The correct multiple choice answer is number 3, options A and D are correct. Here are the key steps to remember for similar problems. Step 1. Convert mass percentages to moles using molecular weights. Step 2. Calculate total moles by adding all individual moles. Step 3. Calculate each mole fraction by dividing individual moles by total moles. Step 4. Always verify that all mole fractions sum to 1. If this helped you master mole fraction calculations, please like and subscribe for more NEET chemistry solutions.